Can we go to the bamboo forest?
No.
What? I've heard they've got bamboo
Joking.
in a forest. Look at the size of this bamboo. We've seen them using bamboo as scaffolding, so it must be super strong. It's amazing, isn't it?
Yeah.
Really, really strong. This place is incredible. Like they've got a bamboo cafe, bamboo gate, bamboo restroom. We believe this is the bamboo gate. What's this? Bamboo tunnel. I have never seen so many things with bamboo. Now, I think this is the bamboo village. Oh, this is the bamboo cafe. Cafe in the bamboo forest.